Kapag ikaw ba, binigyan ka ng ganitong klaseng bulaklak, ma-appreciate mo ba? Apparently, not everyone appreciate this kinds of flowers, no? Pero kasi ang tanong ngayon, mali ka nga ba ng binigay or mali ka lang ng taong pinagbigyan? Overthink, malala, di ba? Anyway, these are from Rocker Floral Art Collection. And the first one is called the Purple Rose. And it has build difficulty of 2 out of 5. And meron siyang 54 puzzle parts and pieces. No? And the next one is called the Floral Art White Camellia. Ito, meron rin siyang build difficulty of level 2 out of 5 and has 63 puzzle parts and pieces. No? So it took Danby 1 hour to build. Ganun siya kabilis lang gawin. And ito naman, yung Purple Rose rather, it took Jam 1 hour as well. No? So everything you need is already in here. Meron siya yung paper, yung net, yung ribbon, and meron rin siyang kasamang easy to follow instructional manual. So if you want one, we still have this, and hopefully, tama yung taong pagbibigyan mo. Yun lang.